Stay tuned for a special announcement from Nick.
So I took a quick break from my shop and I come down here to one of my favorite restaurants to go see George, grab a quick poutine. It's right off the 440, one of my favorite highways. And now let's go to Patates 2000 or Patates 2000 like they say in French. And let's go have a quick bite so I can head back to the shop. So let's go meet George. George, how are you, man?
Hey, Mr. Nick. How are you, sir?
Good yourself, man.
Long time no see. Everything good?
All good. I took a quick break, so I said, you know what, let me grab a fast poutine today. One of my favorites, and you got the best one in town, so you know what? Let's have one today, so I can head back to work.
Excellent. I want you to come down.
All
Go
right.
see Isabel, and then meet me down. I'll introduce you to my cooks in the back who make the poutines all the time.
Let's
possible.
go for it. Okay, let's do it.
Everybody here makes poutines depending on the time of day it is. This is Costa. That's Mika. And that's Bobby in the corner over there. Everybody has experience galore of making exactly what it is we make all the time.
And what it is that they're making all the time in George's kitchen is a Quebec delicacy known as poutine.
A poutine is French fries. We use nice fresh French fries every day. Cheese curds, unripened cheese, and a poutine sauce, which is basically a gravy. We've been here since 1988, and we haven't changed our recipes much. The fries are cut fresh daily, every day. We use red potatoes from Granby, Quebec. We have them brought in from Granby. We make our sauce every day, every morning. Our sauce is made with our special recipe we've been doing for 35 years. If you notice, our sauce is a little thicker than most because we like it to cling to the cheese. A lot of the sauces are liquidy, and by the time you start having your poutine, you have to flip the part over so you get some sauce on the cheese again. We like it to make it a little thicker.
Oh, yum, yum. Yeah.
That's it, nice squeaky cheese, fresh fries, and our special poutine sauce mix. All your viewers are going to be able to enjoy the same poutine because it's now available in supermarkets. It's available in all the metros across Quebec, down the street PA Supermarket, Colfax, Grand Marché. It's available on Amazon in Ontario, in Quebec, all across Canada. And even people as far away as Vancouver Island. I know Nick has viewers in Vancouver Island. We are now in all the country grocers in Vancouver Island. So there's coast to coast in Canada. You could get the famous Patates 2000 poutine sauce. Soon to come in the US. We already have our US packaging ready, and we're getting ready to come into the US. Even people who vacation a little more south, down in Mexico, we're going to be in approximately 1,000 supermarkets there very, very soon.
Yeah, this is great stuff, man. You know, if you guys wanted to grab a fast bite, this is the place to be. You know, especially when you're on the road, or I notice you got a lot of truckers that pull over here too, George.
We have a big parking lot, so truck drivers have always been a big part of our business. We're also a fast food, and as fast as they come.
Yeah.
So the truck drivers who are on the go all the time and they're busy, they come in within minutes. They're out again, and everybody's a happy camper.
Just like myself, when I got a few minutes break, I get out of the shop, get on the 440, run down to your restaurant here, Patates 2000. And you know, I know you make it quick. Here I am, grab a quick bite, and this is the best thing going. And I know that you have this on the market, that secret recipe of the sauce. I have friends of mine that also use it on a hamburger steak or any other purposes. It's great. It's not just for poutine. It's
No,
good
it's
for
not.
others.
It's a gravy.
That's right.
It could be used for anywhere where a gravy could be used, except it's a little lighter than a gravy. So you could put it on your hamburger steak, you could put it on your roast beef, you could put it on your turkey.
Exactly.
And actually, one of your viewers from Ontario filled me in for another use of the sauce. He took, I think, 2 of the packages, and what he did was he used them on a roast beef in the oven. And he said it was one of the best roast beefs he's ever had. So we tried the same thing at home with chicken and a slow cooker.
Awesome.
And by golly, he was right.
That's awesome. And I know who you're talking about. You're talking about Ross from Windsor, Ontario.
Yes, it was Ross.
It was Ross.
Yes, it was Ross.
And he brought it up to me at the shop too.
And he came here and he
That's
said,
right.
hey, he says, I tried something new with you. I wasn't even aware of this.
And we've come here a couple times for breakfast.
Yes, you have. So you don't even need any more spices. You buy 1 or 2 patates, depending on the size of your roast in your pan.
Mm-hmm.
You pour it in with water. Then you pour it into the pan with the roast. You put it in the oven, and it's going to bring out an amazing taste.
And now, let me tell you the big announcement. On June 21st, rain or shine, at my shop, we're going to have a party or meet and greet, open house party, rain or shine, like I said earlier. You can come with or without your card, doesn't matter. The most important thing is meeting people. And by the way, George, you'll be supplying us with his famous Poutine while supplies last. So George, that's a big deal for you to do that.
Yes. So what I'm going to be doing that day is I'm going to supply, while supplies last, I'm going to supply Poutines to all the comers. Everybody who comes to the meet and greet is going to be able to try free on the house Patates 2000 Poutine.
I don't know. Thank you. It's going to be it's a big move for you to come to my shop, put up the fryers, put up the Poutine, give it out to everybody as much as you can. I mean, you can't ask for anything more than that. And if you guys really want to try it, come to the show and try it, you guys. George will be there himself also.
I enjoy coming to your garage, Nick. I enjoy seeing the cars there. I enjoy the people. And I know people who have not had the chance to try my Poutine. I know there's going to be a lot of out-of-towners there.
Yes.
They're going to have a chance to try our Poutine for the first time. And hey, at the end of the day, I say if everybody goes home happy, it had to have been a good idea.
And that's what makes me happy. So there you guys have it. Patates 2000, and of course, my party at the 21st of June. The Poutine, George, meet us. We'll be all there, rain or shine.
And one other thing, very, very important for anybody out there who cannot find our product in the grocery store, there's absolutely no reason why they can't. Our sauce is distributed by ID Foods, which is the largest dry good distributor in Canada. They're also in the US, they're also down in South America, and they supply basically every grocery store across our country. ID Foods, I promise you, already supplies them with numerous products on their shelves, and they have our Poutine sauce in all the warehouses across the country. So if they could have it in Vancouver right now at the country grocers, believe me, they could have it in Kitchener, and believe me, they could have it in Calgary.
That is huge.
So all you have to do is
go.
say, hey, you know what? Can you possibly carry this product for us? And there's absolutely no reason why they can't. In the back, it says who this distributor is. It's ID Food, and they can bring it to you anywhere you are in the country. And they have a lot of great products out there on the market. Ours being one of them.
And there you have it. You want to have his Poutine at your home, anywhere, just buy a pack and make it yourself at home.
So there you have it, folks. Try the famous Patates 2000 Poutine sauce for yourself in the restaurant, at your local grocery store, or shipped to your door on Amazon. And a big thank you to George for supplying free Poutine for our upcoming meet and greet street party at Nick's Garage. See you there.